Hi, I'm Joey.
And I'm Braden.
Welcome to the first Brookwood Broadcast of Semester 2.
Up first, we have Brookwood Highlights.
Hi, I'm Cole, and welcome to Brookwood Highlights. On the 18th, there is boys volleyball tryouts. Good luck. On the 19th, there is musical practice from 2:45 to 4:30. On the 21st, we have the Creativity Conference, and on the 22nd and 23rd, there's a boys volleyball tournament. On the 25th, we have the Dr. Seuss Week. On Monday, you should wear a mustache. On Tuesday, wear crazy socks. On Wednesday, wear your wackiest outfit. On Thursday, wear your favorite outfit from Dr. Seuss. And on Friday, wear your PJs. And finally, on the 28th and the 1st, we have a book fair here at Brookwood Middle School. Well, that's all. Bye.
Thanks, Cole, for all the information.
Next up, we have sports with Caden and Victor.
Hello, I'm Victor.
And I'm Caden, and this is Sports.
Today in sports, we'll be talking about the upcoming volleyball tryouts.
The tryouts were on February 11th, so hopefully you tried out.
But don't worry, the boys' tryouts were the 18th, so make sure to bring your game.
Next, we will be talking about Super Bowl 53.
During Super Bowl 53, around 14 world records were broken in the NFL.
Some main records were broken by Tom Brady, were most appearances by player, most wins by player, most completions by player, and passing yards by player.
Some records broken by the head coach, Bill Belichick, were most appearances by head coach, most wins by head coach, and oldest winning head coach. Try out for volleyball. Bye.
Wow, that was a lot of NFL Super Bowl broken records.
Next up, we have featured student and teachers.
Hi, I'm Addie, and this is Mr. Croak. He's the teacher of the month.
Hi.
This person says he nominated you because you are funny. How does that make you feel?
That is great. Fun. Funny. Funny. Focus.
Do you think it's true? I'm just going to answer that and say yes. And why?
Why what?
Do you think you're funny?
You said I was. I didn't say it. I did.
A lot of people say that you are funny.
We just like to tell jokes. We just like to play games. Recess in 6th grade science. You know how it goes. You.
This is Kara. She nominated Margie, but Margie didn't want to be on Brookwood Broadcast. So, Kara, why did you nominate Margie?
I nominated Marjorie because she's my best friend and she's really nice and she is very honest towards everyone and she is loving. She's caring is what I'm trying to say. So that's why I nominated her.
Well, thank you for your time.
You're welcome for my time.
Bye.
Congratulations to the people that were chosen.
Next up, we have real or fake news.
Hi, I'm Kara,
And I'm Adam.
and this is Real or Fake News.
To start off, a man from Northern Virginia was sitting in rush hour traffic off Interstate 66, 10 miles west of the District of Columbia. While driving, he spotted Maryland crabs from the Atlantic Ocean crossing the expressway.
The crabs slowed down traffic even more than it already was, and the crabs were making their way 25 miles east back to the ocean. Is this story real or fake? This story is fake.
Secondly, on November 17, 1952, Albert Einstein was offered to be the president of Israel.
Is this story real or fake? This story is real. Albert Einstein was offered the president position for Israel, which was sent in a letter, and he declined.
Lastly, a giant mushroom grew in an Oregon forest. And is this story real or fake?
Weird but true. This story is real. The root stem covers 2,200 acres.
Thanks for tuning in to Real or Fake. Bye.
Oh, I couldn't tell if that was real or fake.
Next up, we have entertainment.
Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Joey.
And I'm AJ, and welcome to Entertainment.
We will be telling you
about 8 movies coming out this year. Number 1 is Spider-Man Far From Home, starring Tom Holland as Spider-Man, Zendaya as MJ, and Samuel L. Jackson as Nick Fury.
The second movie I will be talking about is Toy Story 4. It's a sequel to the third one. It stars Tim Allen as Buzz Lightyear, Tom Hanks as Woody, and Joan Cusack as Jessie.
For our third movie, we will be talking about Godzilla King of Monsters. It is a sequel to the 2014 Godzilla film. It will star Kyle Chandler playing Mark Russell, whoever that is.
Next one is Pet Sematary, the 2019. It is a remake of the original film that was released in 1989, and it stars Jason Clarke and Amy Seimetz.
Our fourth movie is Frozen 2. It is a sequel from Frozen 1, obviously. The people who are starring it is Kirsten Bell as Anna, and then Josh Gad as Olaf, and Inda Menez for Elsa.
The Lion King remake is our 5th film today, with James Earl Jones returning as Mufasa. It is a remake of the 1994 Lion King.
Our 6th movie is Detective Pikachu, starring Ryan Reynolds as Detective Pikachu and Ken Watanabe as Detective Yoshida.
For our final movie, we will be talking about How to Train Your Dragon: The Hidden World. It is a sequel to the second How to Train Dragon. Stars Jay Baruchel returning as Hiccup Haddock. In my opinion, this will be one heck of an ending to a trilogy that I loved and grew up with.
That's all.
Bye. Wow, that was some good entertainment.
Next up, we have comedy.
Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Brayden.
Egg.
What? So today, we're going to be talking about comedy. And for our first part, we're gonna talk about dad jokes.
Why you like dad jokes?
Well, Sean, every day after kindergarten, if I had a bad day, my dad would tell me one of his corniest jokes. Best 5 years of my life.
My favorite dad joke is, why do skeletons not like going trick-or-treating?
Why?
Because they have no body to go with.
My favorite joke is, why can't you hear a pterodactyl go to the bathroom?
What?
Because the bee's silent. Alright, folks. That's all for Caddis.
What?
Huh?
Well, another joke is a pun.
Yes. We all love a good pun. Like Thor Ragnarok. More like Boar Ragnarok.
Stop.
Huh? Okay. Sorry. Well, that's all, folks. Hope I wasn't a Boar Ragnarok.
Wow, those are some funny jokes.
Next up, we have Tech Corner.
Hey guys, this is Andrew, and today we'll be looking at the coolest tech from CES 2019. Number 1, we have a Gillette heated razor. Number 2, an LG Signature OLED TV R9. And number 3, Withings Move Activity Tracking Watch. Number 4, Moodoo Gold Portable Diffuser. And number 5, Harley Davidson Live Wire Motorcycle. And number 6, we have a Mophie Juice Pack Access. 7, Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant. And number 8, Samsung TVs, the wall and the frame. Number 9, KitchenAid Cook Processor Connect. And number 10, Nreal Light Mixed Reality Glasses.
Next up, we have Featured Artist. Hi, I'm Brayden.
And I'm Joey.
And we are here for Featured Artist. The first featured artist we have is Daniel Martinez. He made this project in Art 2D. I like how he used different designs, colors, and shapes.
The second featured artist we have is Dayton Williams. He made this project in his free time for the art drawing challenge. Like how he made different brushes and he used the shading. Wow, that was some great artwork. Next up, we have DIY.
Okay, everyone. Today I'm here with Jackson. Okay, and I'm Gunnar. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to break Jackson Braden's ankles. Alright, so I'm going to be DIYing my own Andrew dribbles in 6th grade to be able to break Jackson Braden's ankles. Okay, so first step, you want to dribble up with your left hand, okay? Next, you're going to want to cross over with your left hand to the right hand and cross back over to the right. And you're going to want to go up the left, but kind of make it, you know, because you don't want to miss. Alright, so what you want to do in full motion is you're going to want to speed it up, cross over, and then, yeah. And then, to break his ankles, you're going to add a little bit more of the Andrew type style, and you're going to want to go like this. Oh. And yeah. So, rip Jackson's ankles, and bye.
Wow, that was some good basketball skills. Next up, we have history events in February.
Hello, I'm Noah.
And I'm Landon, and today we'll be going over events in history during this month, February.
The first event is the liberation of Guadalcanal on February 8th, 1943. On this date, the United States Marine Corps landed on the island and liberated it from Japanese occupation.
The next event was the returning of Fort Sumter, the Union forces on February 15th, 1865. The fort was recaptured by Union forces after 1.5 years of Confederate control.
The third event was John Glenn's arrival into orbit on February 20th, 1962. John Glenn was the first American man to enter orbit in the spacecraft Friendship 7.
Did you know there are 2 presidents born in February? You probably didn't. The first one is George Washington. He was born in 1732 on the 22nd and died December 14th. Next is Abraham Lincoln, born February 12th, 1809 and died April 15th, 1865.
We hope you enjoyed these events in history. This is Noah
And Landon.
signing out.
Well, that's it for Broadcast 12.
Thanks
for watching.
This is Kara, and she nominated Marjorie, but Margie didn't want to be on Brookwood Broadcast. So, Kara, why did you nominate Margie?
I nominated Marjorie because she's a really good friend of third grade.
Bloopers!
It's funny. Boogers. You gonna get the show on the road here, Miss Addie?
I'm just recording right now. This is fun. Okay, let's act. You know this is not gonna work out with you being like this.
I want to hold it.
It's on.
It's on.
Oh, okay.
It's on.
Hi, I'm Addie, and this is Mr. Croak, obviously. And he's just... I can't. Oh, this is gonna take... Hi, I'm Addie. I can't with him.